forever flowing water nourishes us all. We can't live without water. As the first Industry 4.0 lighthouse factory in the global water heater industry, as the home appliance industry's first end-to-end lighthouse factory and the best practice factory for Industry 4.0 technology application, the Zhengzhou higher water heater interconnected factory has been continuously leading the way in intelligent manufacturing. Technological innovation makes more production capacity. Digital management platform improves production efficiency. Perfect balance, user demand, and manufacturing. Here, we see each water heater being manufactured. Innovation has changing green and low carbon technology. Higher heat pump water heater brings more efficient and comfortable experience to all the families around the world. Innovation has overcome technical challenges, pioneering combustion-electric hybrid technology. Developing the stable combustion chamber ensures the shower comfortable, constant, and safe. Replacing the ordinary one to use the unique single weld-line inner tank. High quality, no leakage forever, completely changed the production technology of the electric water heater. Keeping breakthrough, keeping develop. Higher water heater interconnected factory integrates the industrial IoT, big data, 5G cloud computing, and AIoT to establish itself as a comprehensive industry leader in intelligent manufacturing by implementing IoT and UWB technology, continuous analysis of production management data to ensure that all quality data can be displayed here. The factory will continue scenario development, improving the intelligent manufacturing, making Chinese intelligent manufacturing to the world.